What's up, guys? Here goes another video. I have this NES Iron Sword, and I purchased this one from eBay also, and this one is not working. Boom. Look at that. Black screen. Typically, usually is the tracers, and I'm gonna be cleaning the tracers out. I'm going to be taking out the 3 security screws. I'm using a security screwdriver to remove the screws. I just dropped the screw. Okay, there's one. There's 3 screws on this one. Some cartridges have 5 screws, but this one has 3. The screws seem a little loose. Somebody might have been in here. Okay, so boom. This is it. This is the board. As you can see, the tracers are dirty. See, like a little mud there. It looks like grime, I should say. All right, so let's start with a little bit of alcohol on this microfiber isopropyl alcohol. Just wipe it first like that. Gotta save this game. I'm gonna save you. You must not die. I'm going to save you. I gotta save it. I gotta save this. Preserve it. I gotta preserve this past. My childhood past. Alright, let's try to do a little. Oh, I'm gonna save you before somebody throws you out. Okay. Put a little dab of Brasso. I'm using Brasso. That's what it looks like. Show you guys. You gotta save the past. Preserve it. Preserve the past. Okay. Let me do the other side. Very dirty too. Let's go Iron Sword. I'm gonna save you. Save you from being thrown out. I need a little bit more stuff. Looks better. All right. So after I do that, I use an eraser, and I'm gonna rub it with the eraser. I'm gonna rub it down, rub it down. I gotta save the life of this game. Can't let it die. Okay. And do the other side. Alright. Looks decent. Get to put some more alcohol on it, just to wipe down any residue. Come on, let's go. We can do this. trace looks very dirty. It's dirty or it's just scrapes. All right, I think it's clean enough. One of the traces look a little funny. All right. Put this back. Let's see if this works. Put the 3 screws back. All right, let's try it. Iron sword. Let's do it. Ooh, ooh. I'm so happy when I get it to work. Works like a beaut. And that's it, guys. So that's it for the video. Iron sword. I saved the game. Try again. Perfect. Feels great when you get something working, right? Oh man. That's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out. Another game saved.
Step up out the Rari and I pose. Like that I'm Ghost. The club is like the weatherman. Every corner nose is full of snow. Pills falling out the sky. I can feel my soul, yeah. Asking for my warmth, so sorry. Love, I be so cool, yeah. Every time I breathe, you can see the smoke.